Folks, this is just a quick video to show you how the inside of a GM floor shift shifter works. This isn't a Monte Carlo, but this should be similar to all other cars. So here is what it looks like without this shift, that's rubber band, plate on. Pull that off. So you unclasp this, that goes to the cigarette lighter, and you unclasp this little bulb, which is what lights up. I'll show you here. Actually, I can just turn the headlights on. Or not. There it is. It's what lights up the little indicator. So, yeah, that just detaches with a little clip. Actually, I need this in... There we go. So basically what happens, this is the shifter knob. It comes off with a little clip in the back. It sits here, and this has a mechanism inside that when you press this button, it pushes this down. And when that pushes down in here, it pulls this little lever. So that's the shift lock. It won't move. But it pulls the lever and detaches, and then there's reverse, neutral, drive to 1. That was overdrive. I was in the first time. And you can see the button can't be pressed because, watch how, see when it's down there, but then you move it down here, and then the shifter's in the way, so you can't press it. This is the little shift cable, I guess is the correct way to, the correct terminology for it. And that is basically what shifts in the transmission. You can see when I get to park there, it brings it back. But then, what would drive be? That would be normal drive. See, that's under, and that goes down inside the car. So, yeah, that is a look at what the center console, or rather the shift light, I can't say the word, the inside of the shifter on a Chevy Monte Carlo or Lumina or Cavalier looks like. And then to put this back, I'll show you. Actually, I won't show you. But basically, what you do, I personally find it easier when you're putting this back to have it about in, you can see there's this little wheel and then the jigsaw pattern down in there, down into first gear. Park for me is too difficult. I tend to leave it in reverse because that's easiest. And then what you do, actually what you want to do, put it in park. Actually, all right, restart. We'll put it in the lowest gear. We'll get the hole lined up. Then you got to connect these. Yeah, another cool thing, look, when you move the shifter line, that's how it moves the little indicator in there. But anyway. Alright, folks, I found the reason I'm struggling. Look. If it'll focus. Yeah. This side's broken. Whether I broke it or not, I don't know. Probably. Oh, wait, are they... No. Wait, are they? Oh. Never mind, I guess they're not. Don't listen to me. It is very difficult, though, I will say. Easily. Why is it not focusing? Oh, that's why. This is easily the hardest part, is that putting this back where it should be. Cigarette lighter's easy, assembling it's easy, but let's try again. 2 seconds later. Alright, so I undid it again because I wanted to see if I could document what I did here. So basically what you have to do, why did I do this to myself, is put it in, I know I shouldn't have done this, but you gotta kind of, you're not gonna see it, I'll explain. Try and film it. Insertion. Do it upright like this. Insertion. Just watch. Turn. That's pretty much how you do it. Okay, so now that that's documented, putting the cigarette lighter back is pretty simple. Carefully move this down. I guess second will work, but to put that back, basically, well, I'll just do it. Basically a matter of just snapping those two clips on and we can test it. dash cam. So then, you want to have this now about in overdrive. You want to seat those pins down like that, and then move this. You want to kind of, I'll show you. Kind of like that, right? And then there, you saw that? How those just snapped into place? Boom. It just falls back into place. Then, this is loose, that's just GM quality. The shifter goes back by little clip. This, I recommend you move it down into a 1/4, but basically, it's the back right there. You kind of work it on there like that, and then insert the pin in there. It can come out bent sometimes, but basically, also push down on that enough, and then usually, or maybe lift up sometimes. No, push down. They get bent like this. You gotta kind of pinch them back, and then, well, I'll show you in a second, but that's basically it, because now it looks back to normal, and my rubber band. Maybe I should have thought of this from the beginning. Grab a pair of pliers out and just pinch these a little bit, and then, theoretically, yep, well, almost. There it is. I didn't show it, but just push it in like that, and now this can't come off, and there you go. The shifter is now back how it should be. We can lower the steering wheel again, and then the ignition, which we can shut off, and that's locked. So there you go. That is the shifter operation and reassembly of this piece in a Chevy Monte Carlo, Chevy Lumina. I would assume some similar procedures in some Cavaliers, Beretta, Malibu, no Blazer. Pretty much those. So yeah, probably let's say some of the Buicks, Pontiacs, some GM cars from the 90s, basically. That's how you do it.